all. I hope you all are doing very well. Today, in this video, we are going to start next chapter of English. Chapter name is
Rain.
It is a very short poem written by Robert Louis Stevenson. Children, before starting the poem, I will tell you uses of water. Children, can we live without water? Let's find it out. We drink water whenever we feel thirsty. We need water for bathing. We need water for cleaning our homes. Water is also needed for cooking. Not just us, even animals need water. What about plants? Plants also need water for their growth. Also, we use water for putting out fire. So, what we saw? We cannot live without water. Water is very important for us. So, never leave tap open after the use. Always turn it off after the use. Children, listen, repeat and learn. Rain. The rain is raining all around. It falls on field and tree. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea. This poem is all about a rainy day. The rain is falling everywhere. It is falling on fields and trees. It is falling on the umbrellas and also falling on the ships sailing in the sea. Let's know new words and their meaning from this poem. First word is all around. A-L-L, all, A-R-O-U-N-D, around. Its meaning is everywhere. Second word is field. F-I-E-L-D, field. Its meaning is land used for farming. Third word is umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. Its meaning is an object used to protect us from rain. Fourth word is ship. S-H-I-P, ship. Its meaning is a large-sized boat. Now children, let's discuss some question and answers. First question is, where does the rain fall? Think students. Correct. The rain falls on fields and trees. Second question is, what do people use when it rains? Think students. Correct. People use umbrella when it rains. Third question is, what do you do on a rainy day? Answer is, I play with my friends on terrace on a rainy day. Fourth question is, how do you keep yourself dry in the rain? Yes, answer is, I use umbrella to keep myself dry in the rain. Children, label the pictures. Moon, sun, cloud, star. Children, do you like to play in water? Yes, I know you all love to play in water. Let's listen. Children, have you heard the sound of rainfall? Yes. What sound does the rain make on umbrellas? Yes. What sound does the rain make on the leaves of the trees? Yes. What sound does the rain make on your window? Yes. Now make all these sounds yourself. Now children, I am going to tell you how you have to do your work in your notebook. So, listen the instructions carefully. Children, as we are starting new chapter, you have to make section page. You can make any picture related to the chapter. Children, color it beautifully. Don't forget to mention classwork and date. Children, come to new page. On this page, you have to write new words. Children, new words you will write 2 times. First word is all around. Second word is field. Third word is umbrella. Fourth word is ship. Children, at last you have to do double underlining. All the underlinings you will do with the help of ruler. Now come to next page. Children, mention date and class work. Here you have to write word meaning. First is all around. Its meaning is everywhere. Second word is field. Its meaning is land used for farming. Third word is umbrella. Its meaning is an object used to protect us from the rain. Fourth word is ship. Its meaning is a large sized boat. Now, children, you can do underlining with any color. Now, come to new page. Here, you have to write answers. Children, first question is, where does the rain fall? Answer is, the rain falls on fields and trees. Question number 2 is, what do people use when it rains? Answer is, people use umbrella when it rains. Now children, you have to label the pictures. First picture is of moon. M-O-O-N, moon. Second picture is of sun. S-U-N, sun. Third picture is of cloud. C-L-O-U-D, cloud. Fourth picture is of star. S-T-A-R, star. At last, you have to do double underlining. Children, I hope you enjoyed this poem. Learn this poem and do the given work neatly in your I'll see you in the next video. Till then,